sisters almost from the day we met. Now as a matter of fact, we didn't even like each other. Memory can fool you, the best of friends. She was always understanding, the best of friends. She was never too demanding, best friend I've ever had. I regret I never told her all by myself. Life would have been hell without her. We used to laugh just to forget. It was always clear that summer would come real soon, real soon. We used to sing and laugh till we bursted into